Hey, Michaela Westbrook and Gary. I told you I'd get him on camera. We're with the Optimum West Realty Group, and I wanted to just give you a live tour of what Keller Ready to Sell can do for you. So, Keller Ready to Sell, I explained that in a previous video, but I want to show you how it can work for you if you're a homeowner. All right, so let's get to it. So I want to start off in this bathroom. I'm going to point to the floor. So the floor, you can see underneath, there's wood of some sort underneath there. But this could probably be updated. You see I've got my booties on because it's new carpet. But we have some dated cabinetry. Toilet is kind of low to the ground, as is the bathtub. You can see the bathtub is in pretty good condition, but it's a little dated. You've got some cracked tile there. Okay. You got this long wall mirror. Might want to not have that. And then we've got some dated fixtures. So things like that can be updated with Keller Ready to Sell. I want to show you the closet space here. So closet could use a little painting. You see somebody got a little pink there. And an extra shelf is put in. And then if I back out, you can see the paint in there. So it's a closet. It's not the most important feature, but it could really go a long way to have some of those things taken care of. All right. So remember, with Keller Ready to Sell, you are not having a complete renovation job, a gut, anything like that. You see the master, the painting of the walls, the new carpet make it look better. But then you come in and there's an opportunity to update the flooring, okay? You have the updated tiles could be something that could happen. You can see it's got some, stuff going on with caulking. You can update the shower. Sinks are a little low. Again, work with the fixtures. That could help. Closet in here, not doing too bad. It's a little dark. There we go. So turn that on. So you can see there's some opportunity for additional shelving. Could help. Okay. So as you can see, the house is not in bad shape, but it could use a little TLC. So let's go downstairs. So this is a little narrow. Not sure structurally if that could be widened. So I will not speak on that, but as you can see, we walk through. There's some little cosmetic things that can be done that could help. Okay. The fireplace, when you walk in the front door, it's the first thing you notice. And it could be a little bit more grand, if you will. This house is awesome in the fact that it's got some great entertaining space. So right here, you'd probably call this your formal dining area. And then you have this living area. You come into the kitchen and the next opportunity is available. So number one, we have a black refrigerator with a white dishwasher. You can see it's a little aged. And then we have a white stove and a black microwave. So that could be updated, as well as the cabinetry. We see the dated handles, and the wood's a little old. And then you see right here, we've got a little bit of a combination going on there. So we've got white paneling on the cabinetry. Okay. This is a view of the pantry, storage area. And then we have another separate living area. So the next opportunity for improvement comes right here. Again, updating the fireplace, maybe not taking much, but updating the frame. Take the bronze out and maybe paint the brick. And then you have a wet bar. So updating the cabinetry would be a great idea. The laundry rooms, you know, making those a little sexy, if you will. That's a thing. So there's an opportunity there. And again, you see how we have a whole different color here as opposed to the brown. So I just wanted to give you just kind of like a live tour of what that would look like. If you are interested in Keller's Ready to Sell for your home and learning a little bit more about the program that you can't find in the videos, please reach out and let us know. 469-316-8366 or getwestbrook.com. All right, have a great day.